So nope, nope. I go that way. Slippery, slippery. Oh, better view. I think I had enough adventure, so I want to rely on a flashlight. So it's my time to turn around. Yeah, because my truck is behind. It's not 1 kilometer, it's maybe 700 meters. Not too far, but the trail is not friendly. I can tell you that. Oh, look at those big boulders. Imagine how many got into the lake, right? So I need to hold my antenna. So you should not come in here when it's rainy, wet, slippery. Of course, never in the winter, because you don't know what's underneath, the crevices and stuff. So, the black sheep. What's the name of the black sheep? George. If I had one, I would name it George. Okay. So I think I should go left, right, left, right. Is it right? It's left. Oh, see? I think I came through here. Oh, kind of. It was like that. So you don't want to fall. If you can look down, you can with your screen, but you don't want to fall in here. Red flags, blue ones. Yeah, I think so. I know I came through here, but I took the dangerous route. So what I'll do, because it's getting dark, I don't want to get stuck here. The thing is, it's too tall. I will have to go around. Yes, you know, airplane pilots. Oh, I've been here. They have the go around procedure. So if you feel that you are too high, too low, too much speed, or anything like that, you initiate a go around procedure. So don't try to land. Okay. Then what you do if some wild beast is showing up, right? What you do? I have a bear spray, which I don't intend to grab it. Okay, so here appears easier. Yep, I see the ribbon. Not the first one, man. You know, skiing with no hands. I mean, no ski poles. So I do sometimes like that to hold the camera. and it's a little bit difficult to balance, because when you have the poles, it helps you to grab stuff, to touch stuff, hold the balance and all that. But right now I'm holding a camera, I'm holding an antenna, and guess how old I am? Huh? But I keep telling people, aging is in the mind. I just said that, right? So, aging is in the mind. The body is not like 30 years ago. Let's see. Ah, nice thing that they put these ribbons here. Now that was a good hike. I'm already sweating. Okay, I think I have to look for those blue ribbons. I think I should keep going. Okay, up, my butt up. And if you see, I have a backpack which is not very light. I mean, it's not heavy, but it pulls me backwards a bit. Okay, so on the left is the rock where I took a bunch of pictures. So this is at the end of the recording. It's getting dark, and the last view of the lake. See you later. Bye bye. Oh, I'm behind you, tired as you, but not very tired. I can still go back to my car. Bye.